Okay, the emergency button. This emergency button, basically, when you press this button, it will turn off the embroidery machine. What this button do is basically it gives a signal to the switch to turn off. If you don't release the emergency button, you're not going to be able to turn on the machine. So in order to fix this, you will need to release the emergency button by twisting the button to the right side, like that. After you release the button, you're going to be able to turn the embroidery machine on. Now you only use this button for emergency only.